Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I have yet another component for the series of video that I'm going to create for assembling an amazing or an ultimate astrophotography image processing rig that has all the power needed for an image processing sessions for an astrophotographer. As you know, stacking and everything takes a lot of time and processing speed, so I wanted to create an ultimate PC that would reduce a lot of this image processing time for me. This is another RGB cooling fan that I wanted to put in my image processing rig that keeps the temperature cool for the image processing rig that I'm going to create, so as to provide you the optimal performance for all the components that is there inside that rig. So today in this video I'm going to do an unboxing of this RGB 120mm fan. I have done another unboxing of another fan of a similar feature. If you have not seen that video, I will put the link in the video above or in the description below for you guys to check it out. Before we move further, ensure that you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information or specifications that I have to share. Before we move further, guys, if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get started. So this is the box in which you get this RGB fan, guys. This is made by InWin. This is supported by ASUS Aura technology, Gigabyte RGB fusion technology, ASRock polychrome technology, and MSI RGB controlled technology. So all these technologies are compatible with this fan. If you have motherboard of any of these supported technologies, you can control the RGB color of these fans using the software that comes along with your motherboard. So if you do not have this motherboard anyways, guys, don't worry. I think it has a default RGB pattern that you can control and change, so it will still look beautiful. This fan has 120mm diameter. Let us see on the box what information is present, and then we'll go and see inside what it has to offer. So on the top side of the box, as you can see, it has a logo of InWin. This is the manufacturer of this RGB fan. On the top it says what are the technologies for ARGB control that you have. ARGB, guys, means addressable RGB color, or red, green and blue color light. You can individually control all those lights, so that is what it means basically. So this is an ARGB controlled fan. It is of the series Sirius Loop. The model number is ASL 120, which means basically it is 120mm width fan that you have, so as to provide an optimal cooling. So on the side as well, you have the same logo and branding, nothing more. On the back side, you have some of the features that it has to offer. It is addressable RGB lighting effect, synchronized with addressable motherboard, intelligent PWM cooling design. So basically PWM means you can control even the speed of the fan depending upon the need. Dual RGB loop with 1.6 million lighting colors, so it has a dual loop for the color, and it can support up to 1.6 million colors. Included with RGB controller that allows the fan to function without an addressable RGB motherboard as well. So you have a controller as well, like I told you before. If you do not have a supported motherboard, it still comes with a controller so that you can control the colors individually as well. So the component that it comes with is Sirius Loop fan, which is 3 components, addressable RGB controller 1, and screws, I think 12, 4 for each fan, so that you can attach it to the cabinet. So let us go through the specifications as well. So fan size is 120mm by 120mm and 25mm thickness, and material it is made with is PBT. Rated voltage is 12 volt DC. Rated power is 1.2 watt. Addressable RGB voltage is 5 volt DC, and addressable RGB rated power is 1.25 watt. Speed mode, PWM, and noise level, it says is PWM is 500 to 1800 RPM, and it has a noise level, maximum noise level of 27 dB. And then you have some of the QR code and user manual. If you want, you can download it using by scanning this QR code. Let us see on the other side. There is nothing more. It is the same branding that you have. Now let us open the box and see what is there inside. So it comes with the tape. So guys, this is how it looks when you first open the box. There are few cables that you can see on the top. I will put them aside. I think it is from the inside. This is the power supply board that it comes with. This is how you power your controller. that controls the fan speed and the color. So let's keep that aside. There are more cables, we'll see later. This comes with some DSTs that you can stick so as to cushion or pad for the padding, I guess. Let's keep that aside too. So there are some screws that it comes along with, so 4 screws each for attaching these fans to the cabinet that it comes along with. So let's keep that aside too. Now let us open what else it has to offer. So this, you can see, is nicely packed. Inside, each fan is properly packed into this transparent or translucent cover. So there are 3 fans. So 1, 2, and so this is it, guys. There is nothing more in the box. I'll keep that aside. So this is it, guys. This is what it comes inside the box. Let us see one by one each component, what it has to offer. So as you can see, guys, this is the power controller and also the hub through which you can manually control the color of these fans. So on the one side, I think you have the power socket, and another side you have the RGB control port that gets attached to the computer. And I think this is the SATA power cable that you can connect and power this controller with. So let's keep this aside for now. These are the pads. I don't know if you can see, there are fine markings to it so as to give nice padding to this RGB fan so that it does not vibrate. So this is a nice touch, I think, so that whenever your fan runs, it is silent and does not produce any vibration to your system. So there are 3 that it comes with, for 1 for each fan, I guess. Now let us see the screws. So as you can see, there are 4 screws each inside each packet. So there are 3 packets that it comes along with, 1 for each fan. So there are 4 screws that you can use to attach one of the fan to the cabinet. So let's keep this aside as well. Now let us open the fan and see. So this is the fan. As you can see, guys, this is not fully lighted fan, but you have an RGB lighting strip on the sides that it lights up, and I think the logo lights up. So this is how the fan looks like. For the cord side, you can see it has few cords that it comes with, few for the powering and few for attaching to the RGB lighting port on your motherboard. So this is what it comes along with. So if you want to see a detailed user manual, I think you can download it from the QR code. But guys, I am going to do another video on how to install these fans onto your motherboard and how to control the lighting of this fan in detail. So ensure that you stay tuned to my channel so that you do not miss out on any new videos that I have to make. So this is one fan. So it is very sturdily built. You can see the fan is nice and light, and it is big, 120 mm, so it provides enough ventilation for the equipments that you have and keep them cool. And also it will have RGB lighting so that it looks cool as well. So that is something nice addition to my rig. I wanted to make a powerful rig, at the same time I want to make it look cool as well, which is why I bought this fan as well. So it has very great and amazing reviews on the Amazon, which is why I bought this. I will put the link of the Amazon in the description below for you guys to check it out. So this is it, guys. This is the unboxing of this Sirius Loop RGB fan. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or comment, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and clear skies.